Hello, welcome back to video 2 in my Adobe Fresco course. I am Shelly and I will be walking you through how to navigate Adobe Fresco and get comfortable designing, illustrating, and drawing digitally. We're going to go ahead and settle in, shake off the worry and the stress, and we're just going to jump in and get started. In this video, we're going to cover how to create a canvas, change the sizing of the canvas, navigating the home screen, and how your files are saved. First thing we're going to do is make sure you have Adobe Fresco opened up. If you can't find it, just swipe down on your iPad and go into Fresco. I like to have my iPad horizontally because I feel like I get the most drawing space and situation orientation. It's just better this way. So your home screen may look a little bit different than mine. You probably don't have these artboards, but you're going to find this plus sign that you can create a new drawing, or you can even create custom size. So I'm going to go ahead and do custom size. This one is going to be called Procreate. Nope, not Procreate. Fresco 101. My pixels are going to be 2000 by 2000, and you can hit this lock right here and it's going to lock it into a square. I'm going to bump my PPI up to 300. PPI is pixels per inch, so it's how many pixels will fit into a 1-inch square space. And the less pixels there are, the more grainy and lack of, what's the word? It's not smooth. So if you have more dots per inch, you'll see more of the image and your brain will be able to comprehend more. It really doesn't matter if you're going to be doing just digital work, you're never going to print it or share it. But if you want to do things that are going to be shared out in like my books. So for instance, my books I do in 300 PPI because I want the printed pages and the images to look very clean and crisp. Basically, it's the crispiness of the image. The less dots, the more blurry and grainy. The more dots, the more crisp and clear. I think that's a great way to say that. All right. If you have your Adobe Fresco open, then go ahead and open that blank canvas. You're going to type in over here 2000 inches by 2000, pixels. So put the dimensions in, hit lock, change the PPI if you want. I usually keep my background on white. And then if you are doing like a GIF, you can take it to transparent, but we can also remove the background later. So that's really a null point. And then you're going to create your document. And here we are. You've opened up your first document in Adobe Fresco. Give yourself a round of applause. All right, so that's where we're going to stop for today. And if you are ready to keep going, go ahead and go on to video 3, or we're going to get comfortable with the canvas. Thanks so much for watching.